Hello friends, today we will learn how to enable currency switcher in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. For this, go to the ShopBuilder first, then Settings. Click on Module and find Currency Switcher. Click on this button to enable this module. After enabling this module, you will get several general setting options like sticky currency widget, currency flag, currency text to display. Click on Save and view the shop page. Currency switcher is displaying here. You can also change your currency switcher position in different position. Choose any one and save it. It has already moved its position. But if you don't want to display currency text, simply disable this option and save it. Now go back to the shop page. It disappears here. Now let's go for further settings. By turning on geolocation module, it will automatically display customers' local currency. But of course, you first add WooCommerce geolocation API. Also, you can set checkout currency display options into customer selected or forced default currency. For currency settings, you just need to click on Add New button to add new one. Click on it and you will get options to select currency and then provide the currency symbol to display, or you can leave it empty. Then set the exchange rate based on USA. Now save and go back to the shop page to see this. This is your added new currency. If you want, you can change currency position to display. Let's see in the shop page. Here it is. Or if you prefer the symbol stays in left position, you can do it in the same way. Now let's go to the styles setting. You can select your desired switcher appearance from these given options. Let's see how it looks. Now customize the color of the currency text. See, here it is. Also, you can change the active currency text color. It has already changed. You can also change currency text font size and switcher background color. You can further customize label section as its font size, currency symbol font size, and currency symbol color. Save and see the changes. If you prefer another color, you can further change. Or you can totally change the appearance again. This is how you can actually enable and customize currency switcher in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.